Consortia!
Today we're going to draw little Draco Malfoy. Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. First, let's draw his big eyes. Now draw a curved line inside each eye for the pupils. Add a tiny little circle inside each eye to make them nice and shiny. Then color the rest of the eyes black. Now add his sick eyebrows. Tilt them down a little to give him that grumpy expression. Make them look a little serious, just like Draco. Next, draw his tiny nose and his frowning mouth. Now add one big curved line to make the bottom of his face. Let's connect the sides of his face to where his hair will be, and connect it to his hairline like this. Now it's time to draw Draco's blonde hair. Start with the big swoopy bangs. Then finish the rest of his hairstyle around his head. Add a few curved lines to show the different sections of his hair and give it some nice detail. Now draw his little ears on both sides. Great! Let's move on to his body. First, draw the shirt collar, then add his tie right in the middle. Now draw his little arms. And then sketch the shape of his school uniform around them. Then add a little half circle for his hand. Next, draw his simple pants underneath the robe. Add his little shoes at the bottom. And don't forget to add the Slytherin crest to make it look just like Draco's uniform. To finish, draw the 3 buttons on the front of his uniform. And we're done! Great job! Now you can easily color your drawing by following the reference image. See? It was much easier than you thought. Did you enjoy drawing with me? Give this video a thumbs up.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.